Today, we'll talk about related to this university, that is the eligibility, the students, the course duration, nursing in Mesdhetar University. What's the basic eligibility that
their academic performance during their studies in
Albania, that they're also considering students from humanities and commerce background as well.
Only females, girls working in the nursing sector, main partners, the biggest hospital in the country, male nurses, and
Not a profession for any gender.
in the national universities, automatic recognition of their degrees in all EU member countries for jobs, hospitals and clinics across Europe.
Hello everyone. Today we are AcadFly. We are here in University of Albania, that is Mesdhetar. It's one of the best university for you to do nursing because they offer the course in English. So we have Altan, who is basically the international dean and the head of international team. So he looks after all the meetings and all the thing that is done internationally. So today we'll talk about everything related to this university, that is the eligibility, the students, the course duration, and everything that you need to know about nursing. Hi Alton.
Hi, good morning and welcome to our university. But as you said, I just want to say that Albania is very happy to welcome international students, and it's becoming one of the main destinations for international students all over the world. And here they'll find the Mediterranean University of Albania, which is one of the best universities in the country, and we are noted for the high academic excellence and quality in our studies and research here at our university. Indeed, at Mediterranean University of Albania, all students will find a very welcoming atmosphere, and here at our university there will be a lot of opportunities to grow professionally and personally.
Actually, so when a student plans to go to any of the abroad country, the first thing that comes to their mind is the eligibility. What's the basic eligibility that they need to have to come to Albania, and especially in Mediterranean University?
I mean, the eligibility, we are open to all international students, but one of the main criteria that we are looking from students, it's their academic performance during their studies in high school and English level knowledge. So basically, as our programs are international programs, and the students should be able to attend and follow these programs, which will be very advanced English in this sense, because they're gonna start nursing and they'll be working also with a lot of international teachers and professors at our university.
Okay. So we have seen a change in Albania, that they're also considering students from humanities and commerce background as well to studying nursing. So I just want to know, are they able to cope up with this nursing course, like students who are from humanities and commerce? Because the students that we have in India, especially for humanities and commerce, they always want to go for nursing. So I believe you've been offering the same thing to them. So are they able to cope up with that?
Of course, sure. They'll be able to cope with that because, as I said, quality of the teaching, learning process here, it's a very high standards. But then a student who was involved in humanities studies, they'll be able to follow their studies in nursing here.
Also, so we had an entire tour of the university, and I've seen a lot of futuristic labs, so many machineries that can be useful for the students. So are they getting any internship as well here?
This is one of the strongest points that we have. But as we said, the Mediterranean University of Albania, we are a university with the best facilities in the country, as you witnessed yourself, and also our labs and the learning premises where the students will be accommodated at the university. I mean, one of the main advances that we have is that for internship and medical practice, our students will do that in the our partner hospitals and partner clinics all over the country. So we were thinking that besides an internship, it's that students will learn by doing. So they'll not be learning in the class. And nursing is a very specific field where students will be required to learn by doing.
Actually, when it comes about medicine or anywhere where the healthcare is, it's very important that you practice whatever you study, because it's very hard to remember everything. But when you practice it, it makes it quite easy for you to remember everything that you've done. Along with that, we have seen a lot of students working there. So how's the part-time in Albania, especially in Tirana?
There is two moments that I want to highlight here in this regarding your question. The first point is that students, we have for future career advancements, the diploma, the degree they'll get here is recognized all over the world, and they'll find a lot of opportunities to work in Albania, but also even in other countries, because when they study nursing here, they'll be given the opportunity to study English, Italian or German according to their needs. And when it comes to part-time jobs in the country, I just want to give you one fact that Albania, for example, last year, we welcomed around 11 million tourists. And the country's population is 2.5 million people. And that is like more than 4 times the local population. So Albania is now becoming, experiencing a boom in tourism sector, but also is becoming a main destination for medical tourism. And we have people from all over Europe coming here to get their medical services in Albania. And this sector is growing a lot. So for students will be, in the first year of studies, they can have a lot of part-time jobs, especially in the HoReCa sector, tourism sector. But then in the second or third year, they can start like part-time jobs working in these clinics here in Tirana or other cities in the country.
That's great. So there's something very funny that I wanted to ask you. So in India, we have this myths going on that nursing is a profession for females. It's not actually a profession of males. So I just want to know your stand, and how's the the students who get into nursing, how they see it in Europe. Because what I have seen, it's almost the same, like male nurses, female nurses, there's no difference as such. So what's your stand? Because this is something that I want to clear to an Indian crowd that, it's not.
I understand that, but it used to be like this, as you said, many years ago. But now everything has changed. Albania is due to join the European Union in maybe hopefully next 3-4 years. Officially, we will be an EU member country, and that stereotyping about only females, girls working in the nursing sector, has changed a lot. Maybe when we'll visit one of our main partners, the biggest hospital in the country here, you'll see that there are a lot of male nurses, and you'll notice the difference.
That's something that I also want to say this to every student, that it's not a profession for any gender. It's actually for both males and females, and they can consider it. Also, like you just mentioned that Albania would a part of EU. So where you think this decision gonna help these students to excel in their career for their future? How it gonna help them?
Yes, it's gonna help them, because joining the EU will bring a lot of benefits, not only for Albanian nationals, but also from students graduating in Albanian universities. That means that they'll have an automatic recognition of their degrees in all EU member countries, and that will make it easier for them when they apply for jobs in like hospitals and clinics across Europe. It means that we expect to have students starting from October, international students, that by the time that they get a degree here, it may happen that we are EU member country, and they'll be easy for them to move across Europe for jobs.
That is something that these are the basic questions that I wanted to ask and have, and I'm really thankful to you that we have covered all the basic information. I believe if we'll have any questions, we'll definitely connect with you. And I'll also request the students, if they have anything, you can just drop down your questions in the comments, and Altan, I believe he'll always be available to answer all of that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Altan, for taking your time. And
And I also have a message for all the students, and I just want to say that at Mediterranean University of Albania, you are welcome, and we look forward to seeing you in October.
yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.